In this video, I'm going to show you how to book flights online in Nigeria. Now, if you want to book flights in Nigeria, you're going to have your airway you want to use, right? So there's the Airpeace, there's United Nigeria, there's a whole lot of them, right? So let me see, if I want to use Airpeace, I'm going to just open up Airpeace, right? So I'm going to wait for it to load up. I'm going to click on this skip, right? Click on the skip, right? So this is it. So you're going to click on from, right? Select city you're traveling from. If you type in Enugu, if you're currently in Enugu, right, you can type in Enugu here. Wait for it to load up. Okay, I'll click on this. Okay, yeah, so you can just type in Enugu, right? So this is Enugu. If you're traveling from Enugu to, let me say, Abuja, right? Click on Abuja, right? So you can select one way or round trip. I'm going to use one way, right? You select your departure date, right? So you're going to click on passenger. How many people are traveling with you, right? So if it's only you, you can select it to 1 or 2, right? So once you're done, click on search flights, right? So you can see on the 29th of May, that is Thursday, right? There is a flight going on that is from 8:35 to 9:30, right? So it's a 55 minutes flight. So this is it. So click on this, right? Select it. You're going to click on continue, right? So right now you're going to fill in your details, right? Once you are done, you're going to click on the add, and you're going to be provided with a payment option, right, where you can be able to book the flight, right? So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'm going to see you all in the very next video. If you have any questions, please do well to share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll be very happy to reply or to help you out the very best way I could. Thank you all once more. I'll see you in the next video.